Hello, I'm Shatbhi Basu, and I'm really excited to be here at Chitkara University today with US Cranberries Culinary Education Program. For me, I'm happy because I've been here before, and I really love the energy and the positivity that Chitkara University and the students here kind of exude, you know. I can see that they have so much, you know, to offer. They're excited, they want to learn, and that kind of makes it easier for people like us because, you know, we need that. We like to teach, we like to share, and when we have great responses from students, and you can see how excited and how passionate they are about their learning, and that just makes our program really so much more interesting. So today, you know, just the idea of sharing our thoughts, mine on, of course, mixology with cranberries, it's just going to be so much fun. And I think this whole vibe that we get when we come to a university like Chitkara is for me, I think, something that actually inspires us to do better as well, and to make sure that we impart as much as we can to the young minds that are going to go forward and take over our hospitality industry from us in the years to come. So I'm going to have a good time today.